Greetings to everybody. I'm Marilei Roma, and I'll be sharing the findings of a poll that look at people's hand washing practices today. Three categories of respondents were specifically identified: those who cleaned their hands, those who did not, and those who were not relevant to the study. The frequency distribution, relative frequency computations, and a pie chart depiction are all included in this analysis. Let's start about the frequency. The total frequency for every group, I found that 18 people washed their hands, 2 people not applicable, and 10 people did not wash their hands. Now, let's take a look at the table with relative frequencies. First, what is relative frequency? Relative frequency is the proportion of the total represented by each category. It is calculated using the formula relative frequency equals N over F times 100, where F is the frequency for a category and N is the total number of responses. Let's move to calculations. For this survey, the N equals 30 is the total. Using the formula for wash hands, 18 over 30 times 100 equals 60%. For did not wash hands, 10 over 30 times 100 equals 33.33%. For not applicable, 2 over 30 times 100 equals 6.67%. This calculation shows that the not applicable group represents 6.67% of the total responses. The next slide is pie chart representation. How the pie chart was created. I used the relative frequencies to construct a pie chart. The wash hands category, representing 60%, occupies the largest section of the chart. The did not wash hands category, at 33.33%, forms the second largest section. Lastly, the not applicable category with 6.67% is the smallest section of the chart. This pie chart provides a clear and visual representation of the data, making it easy to compare the prevalence of hand washing habits among the three groups. In conclusion, this survey highlights that while the majority of respondents washed their hands, a significant portion did not, with 6.67% failing under the not applicable category. By utilizing tools like frequency distribution, relative frequencies, and pie charts, we can effectively analyze and present this data in the understandable way. Thank you. I appreciate your time and attention and atten- Thank you. I appreciate your time and attention. Again, I'm Marilei Roma from BSIT 11.